I heard great things from my best friend who recommended the Black Jamaican Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. It's for frizzy, unruly hair. Is my hair frizzy? Can be. Is it unruly? Sometimes. Started using the hair product because I trusted Palmer's with my skin, so I was like, I can trust it with my hair too. Anyway, going off topic. Hi guys, Kelsey Kurls here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you read the title of this video, this is my products I would like to try video, where I'll be mentioning products I would like to try and the reasons why I would like to try them. Before I get started, follow me on my socials, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on the Twitters. And if you would like to find out what products I would like to try and the reasons why, keep watching and let's just get into the video. The first brand and range I would like to try is Maui Moisture. So a couple of hair influencers have tried this product and they've said great things. I heard great things from my best friend who recommended the Black Jamaican Castor Oil leave-in conditioner, and yeah, so I would like to try it too. It's quite easily accessible to me because it's available in my two local high street stores, which happens to be Boots and Superdrug, but I just haven't tried it at this point. But I would like to try the Revive and Hydrate range, which is the shea butter range for dry, damaged hair, which I'll have on the screen right now. I'm looking at my notes, by the way, that's why I keep looking down. Do apologize. The second range I would like to try is the Nourish and Moisture range with coconut milk, which is for dry hair. I'm trying to kind of stay away from coconut and coconut milk in general, any form of coconut when it comes to my hair, because I think I kind of have like built up a tolerance to it where it doesn't really work like it used to. But I would like to try it to see how it is, because that's the range my best friend kind of mentioned to me originally. And the last range I would like to try from Maui My Strong is the Smooth and Revive with the vanilla bean. I just think that's like a cool ingredient to have as the main ingredient in that particular range. It's for frizzy, unruly hair. Is my hair frizzy? Can be. Is it unruly? Sometimes. So I think that particular range would work well for me. I would like to try it. If I do end up trying it and liking it, I will let you guys know my thoughts and my results. And yeah, next product is Palmer's. Good old Palmer's. Love me some Palmer's, you know. Me and Palmer's have been rocking together for a hot second. From birth actually, because Palmer's cocoa butter, that's what I use. And then obviously I started using the hair product because I trusted Palmer's with my skin. So I was like, I can trust it with my hair too. Anyway, going off topic. So they have a new range of, it's called Natural Infusions. I've seen a lot of the British influencers kind of mention this and try it out and been promoting it. So I'm kind of curious and excited to try it out and see what it's like. Once again, it's quite accessible to me because I've seen it in Superdrug, I think, just in Superdrug. I also want to try the Mahuka Honey conditioner and shampoo. At this particular moment in time, I use the protein pack of the Mahuka Honey and I love it a lot. So I'd like to see what the shampoo and the conditioner is talking about. Aunt Jackie's. So I've recently started to get into trying Aunt Jackie's as of, you know, last year. My best friend bought me some Aunt Jackie's and I've been using it religiously. And I bought myself also. I would just like to try some more products from her. Not anything in particular, but I would just like to try more things from Aunt Jackie's. So the next company is Shea Moisture. I use a lot of Shea Moisture products. I fuck with Shea Moisture heavy. But there's a lot of things, a lot of ranges that I haven't tried and I would like to try. They have a red palm oil and cocoa butter range, and I would like to try that. Mahuka Honey and yogurt range. When that first came out, I saw that, I was like, yo, that's fly. I want to try that. It was all only in America, and if I could get it here, it was going to be like £30 for one. No, I'm not spending that. So I'm just waiting for it to come here. Yeah, so I think that is it. I would like to try some more products out of the Mahuka Honey range. Like they have a twisting custard as well, which has been quite expensive for me to try at this particular moment in time. But I do plan on trying all of these products this year or within this year and the following year. And obviously I'll let you guys know my thoughts and feelings. That was it basically, guys. Those are the particular products I would like to try. If you liked the video, please like, comment and subscribe and be part of the notification gang. Follow me on my socials, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, and follow me on the Twitters. And like I always say, be the best version of you can be unapologetically you. I hope you got something productive done today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!